Hi friends, welcome to Sri Pragna tutorials. Today we are going to learn one of the easiest trick to multiply the numbers whose sum of units digits is 10 and rest digits are same. So if you observe these four questions, see here 7 plus 3 will give you 10. Sum of units place digits is 10. And rest digits means remaining digits are same. Here 6 means here also 6. See the second question. Units place value 7 plus 3 is giving you 10. Remaining place values, that is 10's place value is same. 8 plus 2 is nothing but 10. And 10's place digit is same. Here 1 plus digit is 1 plus 9 is 10. 10's plus value is same. So in that case we have to apply this trick. How to apply this trick? You see here 67 into 63. If you observe clearly, the sum of units place value, that is 7 plus 3, total is 10. 7 plus 3 is nothing but 10. And remaining place digits, that is 6 is same, 6 is same. In that situation, we have to apply this trick. So it contains two parts. In the first part, multiply 6 with its next number. Means we should multiply 6 with 7. What is the next number after 6? 7. If you multiply 6 with 7, that is 42. We will get the first part of the answer. The second part of the answer is nothing but multiply units place digits. That is 7 and 3. 7 3s are 21. Now the final answer is 4221. That's all. This is the answer. Answer we can write in within seconds. Once you practice thoroughly, by seeing the question, we can say the answer. The trick is very simple. Very simple trick. Next, I will explain one more question so that you can understand more better. So the next question, 77 into 73. See here, units place digits 7 and 3. If you add these two digits, we will get sum 10. Next you see, 10's place digits are same. In that situation only we have to apply this trick. So what is the first part contains? So 7 is common in both. What is the next number after 7? 8. 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. We have to multiply 7 with its next number. 7 with its next number. 7 into 8. That will give you 56. In the second part of the answer, multiply units place digits. Units place digits. What is units place here? 7. Here 3. 7 3s are 21. The answer is 5621. 5621. Next question, 88 82. We are multiplying 88 with 82. So check here, 8 plus 2, sum of units place digits is 10. And rest of the digits are same. Here 8 is there, here also 8 is there. Now we can apply this method. So multiply 8 with its next number 9. That will give you the first part of the answer. In the second part, multiply units digits. Multiply units digits. Here unit digit is 8. Here unit digit is 2. 8 9s are 72. 8 2s are 16. Therefore, the final answer is 7216. Next question. (21) into 29. 21 into 29. So see here also 1 plus 9 is giving 10, and rest of the digits are same. Here 2 is there, means here also 2 is there. Units place digits is 10 and rest of the digits are same in two numbers. Now what is the next number after 2? 3. 2 into 3, that will give you 6. First part of the answer. Second part contains 1 into 9. 1 into 9 is nothing but 9. But don't write 9 directly. You write 09. If it is a single digit answer is coming, keep 1 0 in front. For example, 1 into 8 is nothing but 8. But you write 08. 2 digit answer. 609. The final answer is 609. Next. With the help of this trick, we can write squares of all the numbers. Squares of all the numbers. See here, for example, if you want to square of 15 square, 15 square is nothing but 15 into 15. So same technique, 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 is common in both. So what is the next number after 1? 2 it will come. 1 2s are 2. And units place multiplication, 5 is a 25. 225. Next 25 square if you need. What is the next number after 2? 3 will come. 2 after 3 will come. 2 3s are 6. Again 5 5s are 25. See here. 25 into 25. So what is the next number after 2? 3. So multiply 2 into 3. That will give you 6. Units place digit. 5 5s are 25. Answer is 625. So now you try this 35 square. 35 square. Tell me the answer. What is the answer for that? 1225. See here. 35 square. What is the next number after 3? 4. 3 4s are 12. 5 into 5? 25. Over. 45 square. What is the answer? Next number after 4? 5. 4 5s are 20. 5 square is, that is 5 into 5 is 25. 55 square. What is the next number after 5? 6. 5 6 are 30. 5 into 5 is 25. Like that, we can simply write all the square values. That is 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, 55 square, 65 square, 75 square, 85 square, 95 square, like that. So now, for example, 103 into 107. See here, units place digit 3 here, here 7. 3 plus 7 will give you 10 again. Okay, it is following the rules. Sum of the units place digits is 10. Okay, rest of the digits are common in both, that is 10, 10. So now we can apply the same method. Multiply 10 with its next number. What is the next number after 10? 11. The number which comes after 10 is nothing but 11. So multiply 10 with 11. This is the first part of the answer. This is 110. Multiply units, place, digits. 3 sevens are 21. Therefore, the answer is 11021. That is 11,021. 11,021. Next question. For example, if you want to multiply 114 into 116. 114 into 116. See here, units, place, digit. 4 plus 6 giving us 10. 4 plus 6, the total is 10. And rest of the digits in both the numbers are 11. 11. Common. Same. So now, multiply 11 with its next number. The number which comes after 11 is nothing but 12. If you multiply 11 with 12, the answer you get is 132. We know how to multiply a number with 11. How to multiply a number with 11. So with the help of that, we can write this answer very fastly. So if you want to multiply any number with 11, I am saying any number with 11, put 1 0 in the beginning, put 1 0 in the ending. Add 2 digits every time. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 0, 2 again. 132. So add 2 digits every time. First 0 plus 1, that will give you 1. 1 plus 2, that will give you 3. 2 plus 0, that will give you 2. 132. If you multiply 12 with 11. Next, multiplication of units, place, digits. 4 6 are 24. The final answer is 13224. That is nothing but 13,224. 13,224. If you learn this trick, we can multiply very simply and very easily. This is also most useful trick to find out the square of any number. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. So I will give you some questions so that you can practice. Practice these questions. So try to solve these 10 questions for your practice.